Welcome to Mapme. Let me show you how to create beautiful interactive maps with no coding. This is your Mapme editor. Let's start with the map overview, adding a title, a description, and a logo. You can see your work in the preview area. Now let's add some locations to the map. You can include a description, images, videos, and even 360 media. The map view can be adjusted for each location. Let's add a few more locations. You can check how your map looks on desktop and mobile using the preview buttons. Tap Publish to make all your progress go live. You can then embed the map on any website or share it across social media platforms. Of course, there is a lot more, like categories, 3D buildings, and advanced customization. Give it a try, and if you need help, ping us with the chat button